Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk. Welcome back to my channel. I have a wig review for you guys today. This is called a transformer wig. Yes, it's a transformer wig that you can transform into multiple different styles. One wig, 6 styles. I'm going to show you guys how to style it and also give you my honest opinion and review on this wig. So let's get into it. Okay, so this wig is made by Sister Wig. Hey sis. And the name of this wig is Mega. We're gonna call her Megatron since it's a transformer wig. And we got Megatron in the color 1B and 30. So it has some black and brown mix. And it is a transformer cap, which has the detachable top, which allows you to transform the wig into multiple styles. And this is the little information booklet that came with the wig. It's very detailed and cute. I love how they included this with examples to show you what you can do with the hair. In the inside here, it's giving you a look on how the wig looks. On the inside, it shows all the clips and where they're located. It shows you how it looks as a U-part wig without the top piece. It shows you the top piece that you took off the U-part. You can put it in a ponytail, and it has an adjustable drawstring at the nape of the neck. So this is what the unit looks like outside of the package. The hair is super soft. It's very curly, which I think will blend in well with my hair. It's very full. It has 3 clips located in the front edge of the wig where you would clip it onto your head. It has a top piece that detaches so that you can turn it into a U-part wig, and it's connected to the other part of the wig just with some clamps, which should be pretty easy to detach. I pretty much love the construction of this wig. It looks very secure. There's the drawstring located at the nape of the neck, and it also has a larger comb at the nape of the neck to ensure security, because we don't need our wig flying off, okay? We need to secure the wig at all costs. So overall, I think the wig is very well constructed. Chalk Nation, I am so excited to show y'all this wig and try it out myself. I never seen nothing like a transformer wig, so when I saw it, I was like, what is that? Let's see what that do. I was looking just for a half wig, but this was like a plus. Okay, so first things first, I just have my natural hair in a bun at the top, and I had washed and conditioned my hair. So the back, I just have some natural individual twists in, and then I just put them in a bun. So you don't really have to do too much to your natural hair as long as you pretty much got it up and tucked away. So that's what we're working with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see how it looks as a full wig first. Let's see. I may need to leave some hair out, but I just kind of want to play with it a little bit and see. Oh, she is big. Let me see. Shaka Khan. Hey, Shaka Khan. Okay, let me stop playing and fix it. Okay, so let me see. We might want to just do it like this. Let's see. Woo. She thick. He thicky thick, but for the girls that like big hair, the girls that get it, and the girls that don't. Okay, the streets is calling. The streets is calling me with this hair. Like, I'm ready to hit the streets. Okay, so I took off the full wig, and now I'm about to show you guys how to detach that top piece so that you can use that top piece for a ponytail or a bun, and then the other piece you can use as a half wig or a U-part wig. And it's really easy to detach it. It has 4 hooks with like a little piece of material that's connected to the U part and the detachable part. And all you do is slide that little piece of material through the hooks and it comes right off. It detaches really easy, which is super cool because I love easy. Okay, so now that we have the wig detached, I'm about to do a half up, half down style. So I got my Echo Style gel. I got my Murray's Edge wax, which I love Murray's Edge wax because it lays every ponytail. Like not one hair will be out of place, especially when you use it in combination with the gel. It holds everything together really nicely. So all I'm doing is just swooping up the front of my hair to prepare it to go into a top knot. So I just grabbed a rubber band, like a regular small black rubber band, and I'm just putting the top of my hair into a ponytail, and it's already coming together pretty nicely. And what I'm gonna do is twist my natural hair all the way down, and then I'm going to wrap that twist around as tight and small as I can. And then I just grabbed another rubber band just to secure that bun. And I lay my edges the old school way with a good old Oral-B toothbrush, okay? I just grabbed some of my Murray's Edge wax and I'm just doing my little swoop-de-doop. I don't do too many swoops. That side already had a swoop going, so I'm just leave that alone. No, we gonna swoop that up a little bit, make it a little neater. So now the back of the wig that we detached from the top, I'm just using that to clamp it to the back of my hair. I am using the 3 clips to secure it to the back of my hair so I can do this half up, half down style. And then the top piece that we detached, I'm using that as my bun. As you can see, I used that middle clip to clip it securely to my ponytail, and now I'm just wrapping it around to create a top knot. And I'm grabbing a rubber band to secure my bun and make everything come together, and that look is complete. And she is cute. And just like that, we have transformed a full wig into a whole new hairstyle. Half up, half down. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. It took all of 5 minutes to do this hairstyle, so it's a yes for me already. The wig is a yes. So now I'm just taking that style down so that I can prepare to start my next style. And as you can see, it's just as easy to take off as it is to put on, which I love. All you have to do is loosen up that drawstring, unclamp those clips, and slide it right on off. That's what I love about this wig. You don't even have to sleep with it on. You don't have to worry about wrapping your hair up at night like you would if it was a full lace front wig, and that is a plus for me. Okay, so moving right on into the next style, I'm just grabbing some detangler spray just to loosen up my hair since I did have gel and that Murray's Edge wax on it. I'm just preparing it for the next style, and I am parting it down the middle so that I can do 2 space buns in the front. And don't come for me about the type of comb that I'm using to part. I could not find my rat tail comb or a small comb to part for the life of me. Those get lost so easy. But anyway, so I'm just brushing my hair up and using a rubber band to secure that ponytail. And just like we did with the top knot, I am just twisting my natural hair down. Look at me looking like a little girl. I'm just twisting it down, and then I'm wrapping my twist into a very tight small bun. And now we are going to grab our half wig piece, and we're going to use it again for the back of our hair. I could have just left it on, but I don't know. I kind of just wanted to show y'all how I do the whole style from start to finish. So we're just clamping that back piece back on. I'm using the clips to secure it once again. And what I'm going to do next is take a portion of the back piece hair, and that piece that I took out, I'm going to use that to wrap around my bun. So I'm grabbing a rubber band to secure it to the bun first, as if I'm putting it in a ponytail. We just bringing the hair on through. Wrap that rubber band around one more time and kind of make it into a bun and wrap the remaining hair around, because I kind of want it to be kind of like messy buns, not too neat. And we're just going to grab another rubber band to secure our bun, and boom, how easy was that? And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Just take a little bit of the hair from the back, pull it to the front, grab you a rubber band, wrap it around, pull it on through, and wrap that hair around that bun to cover up your natural hair. Does not have to be neat. I think it looks cuter when it's kind of a little messy. Grab you another rubber band to secure it, and boom, there's another quick and easy style. I love it. This is too cute. Let me give y'all a little 360 so y'all can see. You cannot even tell that this is a back piece with hair used from the back piece to create the 2 buns in the front. Okay, we got business in the back and party in the front, and she is looking good. I don't even want to take it down, but I want to show you guys the next style. So down she goes. And as you can see, as I'm taking the buns down, the hair is still intact. It's not getting tangled. It's not shedding and falling off. Everything is all good. So for this to not be a human hair wig, the quality is really good. Okay, so I swooped the front of my hair back up into a bun because for the next style, I'm going to do a half up, half down except for it's going to be a ponytail versus a bun or any buns at the top. So I'm grabbing 2 sections of hair from each side of the back part of the wig, and I'm going to use both of those 2 pieces that I sectioned off to create my ponytail at the top. Now this is a trick to make your ponytail look flawless, to where you won't even be able to tell that it's a half wig at all. This looks like my hair. It looks like this is literally coming from my scalp. It's all in how you style it, honey. Another super cute, super easy 5-minute style. Okay, so for the next style, all I did was take that bun down from the top, swooped my hair to the back, and I grabbed a scarf. I did put the full cap wig back on, and now I'm just using my scarf to create a headband. And although it looks really cute as a bow, I'm gonna just take my scarf and put it in a ball in the front. I was trying to make it look like those really beautiful African wraps. So this is as close to that as I could get. But it still came out pretty cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. I just had to give it a little shake. But it's so cute. Like, I just love it. This wig is giving me so much life. Like, I could see myself wearing this pretty often. Okay, so let's take our scarf down and do another style. So I'm gonna use my scarf, but I'm just gonna tie it a little bit different to give this style a little edge. So I'm just taking some of the hair and I'm pulling it to the side because I want to create a side bang. And I'm just going to take my scarf and wrap it on that one side, section the hair on the other side. Bring that up, keep our bang out in the front, keep the bang out, because we doing a style with a bang. So what you're gonna do is tie your scarf behind the bangs, okay? Tie it into a bow, and there you go. And this is the finished look of hairstyle number 6. I love it, super cute, love this wig. And these are all the styles that I was able to do with just one wig, okay? Tell me that's not a game changer. Change your life, transform your life, and go get this wig. If you are like me and you like switching your style up all the time, or if you're on the go, I highly recommend that you get this transformer wig, okay? You can do multiple styles with it. It's really quick and easy to work with. Go get this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it, Chalk Nation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know when the next video is dropping. Take care of yourselves. I love y'all. Peace.